What's going on, people? Back again. Wanted to give you a 1-week review of this stuff that I've been taking, the CTFO CBD oil drops. These are the 300 milligram strength. It's the 30 milliliter bottle, and these are peppermint flavor. So if you haven't checked out that unboxing video of when I first got these, I'll leave the link for that video in the description for this one. But I did want to talk to you about my thoughts so far on taking the CBD oil. It's been about, actually a little bit over a week. It's been about 9 days. I've been taking these, and you're supposed to be taking 20 drops in the morning and then 20 drops in the evening. So usually I'll take these first thing in the morning. I'll do the 20 drops right after waking up, and then sometime in the evening as well. And from what I've noticed, I found that my anxiety, my stress levels, those types of kind of negative feelings that I normally would have throughout the day have been decreased. It's definitely been helpful and just kind of making me, I wouldn't say more relaxed, I would say just kind of just more, I guess, clear visioned, level-headed, focused on where I want to go with my life, with my business. And that's just been a good effect of taking these CBD oil drops. So that's just me. You might have your own personal things that you're going through, your own challenges, your own reasons for taking CBD oil. But for me, primarily, I was interested in just trying it out, seeing how it might have an effect on some of the things that I'm just going through in my life, in my business, some of the things that maybe are affecting how I do things. And if this can somehow help me to overcome various challenges, then it's worth a shot, right? And also, what was a very pleasant surprise is the fact that this is also a business. You can become a CBD oil distributor for free. It costs nothing to become a distributor for CTFO CBD oil products, and they also have non-CBD products as well. I'll leave the link for my website where you can learn more about these products and where you can order them for yourself. I'll leave the link for that in the description as well for the video. Some information about the CBD oil distributor business that I started. Again, it's been about 9 days, but in those 9 days, I have 3 team members, 2 of which are in the UK. I have made commissions so far, and one of the ways to earn income from CBD oil is by making 20% commissions on sales. So, and obviously that's a nice thing to happen because I believe that sale actually came through sometime in the middle of the night and I was asleep. So I guess you could say I made money even when I was sleeping. So if you're interested in CBD oil, you're interested in becoming a CBD oil distributor, I'll leave all those important links in the description below. Go ahead and click on those, check those out, learn for yourself all the benefits of taking CBD oil and having your own CBD oil distributor business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.